If you want your kid to take more of greens, then this is the right option you can adopt. This is the green smoothie recipe which I am going to show you today, which I make with the fresh fruits and vegetable. I don't use anything frozen. Don't go on color, it will definitely taste good. So let's start. In a smoothie pot, first add the banana. You can take the frozen, but I take always the fresh fruits and vegetable. So I have added one banana, and then I'm going to add some blueberries. You can also skip this thing if you want the perfect green color, but I had some fresh blueberries, so I added that. Now you can add the spring mix as I am adding over here, and also if you want you can just add spinach. And over here I have used the organic one from the brand Earthbound, which I got it from Costco. Now it's time to add all your favorite nuts. So I have added over here almond, cashews, peanut and raisins. Now here I am adding some flaxseed powder. It is just optional. If you want you can skip this, but a smoothie just gives a very good taste and it hides the taste of flaxseeds. That's why I'm adding over here, and it is really good for your skin, your hairs and for your entire body. I am adding coconut water. If you want you can use coconut flakes as well, or fresh coconut grated one also. I'm going to add milk as well. That's why I have added the half bottle of coconut water, but if you want you can just use only coconut water for this recipe. Now the last thing what I'm going to add over here is the regular whole milk. If you want you can also add some other milk as per your choice, like almond milk and all. And the last thing you have to do is just make a smoothie out of it. See, I told you it's very simple, easy and quick, and it is so fulfilling. You will not feel hungry at least for 2 hours if you will have it in a breakfast as well. I swear by, because I almost drink this smoothie every single day. Even my daughter, she drinks it, and you can see that her face is, she has got some mustache because of that. She loves it so freaking much. Very soon I'm gonna be coming with so many beautiful ideas for toddlers, meals and hacks and all. So just make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for future more videos. And if you found this video really useful, make sure to share as much as you can on WhatsApp and Facebook, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like this video, and yeah, bye bye.